Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this beautiful lip gloss. It's from the brand Jolii 2.0 and this is the Lustre Lip that I have in the shade Terrena. So this is one of the products that I redeemed Ipsy points to get. It's cruelty free, vegan, and I'm not familiar with the brand Jolii Cosmetics, but this sounds like such a fantastic lip product because it's supposed to be very moisturizing. It has like shea butter, maybe cannabis sativa seed oil. Does that sound right? Yes, that's exactly right. And this retails for $24, which I think is very expensive for a lip gloss. So I'm glad I was able to redeem this for free with my Ipsy points. My lips are definitely chapped right now, so I'm really excited to see how moisturizing this is. And it also has menthol. So it's supposed to give a cooling effect, which is another thing that I love in my lip products. So let's go ahead and get into this. Check out the applicator. Ooh, it's like an arrowhead shaped applicator, kind of at an angle, and it's open on the inside. I like this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good and different than I was expecting. I kind of thought maybe it would have like a minty smell. Oh, but it smells exactly like strawberry candy. Fruity and sweet. I get so excited when my lip products have a good smell to them. It's probably just a nostalgic thing because I was obsessed with collecting scented lip glosses when I was a kid. So I love a scented lip gloss still. So now before I apply it to my lips, I do want to see how it swatches. This looks like such a pretty color, like a peachy pink. Ooh, with a lot of shine. This looks beautiful. Okay, I'm so excited to put it on my lips. Oh, okay, wow. This being called Lustre Lip is so accurate because it almost has like a metallic reflective sheen, which I absolutely love. It's so shiny and enhancing, but it doesn't look too like intensely metallic, but still super shiny. I haven't even really seen a lip gloss with this type of slight metallic shine. It is so nice. Oh, and now I'm getting that slightly cooling feeling. It's definitely not overwhelming, not uncomfortable at all. Very slight, but a nice, refreshing, cooling feeling. And the color is so pretty. It's subtle. I feel like the thing that I notice most is that beautiful shine. And it is so moisturizing. I had dry patches kind of all across my bottom lip, and that is all completely gone and also smoothed out. When I rub my lips together, there is no more dry texture. And that is something I really look for in my lip products is I don't want it to just coat over the dry chapped areas. I want it to actually deeply moisturize, get rid of any dryness, and this totally did that. So I absolutely love this. I think this is such an incredible lip gloss. It is so flattering. I just love how my lips look now. I also feel like this would be a great lip topper because of that metallic reflective luster sheen that it has. Like it looks so good alone, but it would just look so great on other lip products as well. Since it is more of a sheer color, you can let those other shades shine through. And it's not at all sticky. It's not a super thick gloss either. It's a little bit more thinner than I was expecting, but it just feels so comfortable and looks so good. And I'm so happy with this. I really want to try out more products from this brand now. So if you've tried any other Jolii Cosmetics products, let me know about them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.